Hello everyone. Facing issues with Spectrum, no internet, no Wi Fi, or slow speed? In this video, we will show you quick and easy solutions to get you back online fast. Let's get started. Network outages, temporary service interruption due to maintenance or external factors, equipment malfunctions, problems with the modem or router, shared bandwidth, slow speeds when many users are online in the same area, technical upgrades, temporary issues during network upgrades, device connectivity issues, problems with individual devices rather than the network, signal strength, weak signals due to distance from the router or physical obstructions. Fix 1. Check for outages. Service outages can affect many users in your area, and knowing this can save your time troubleshooting. Visit Spectrum's outage information page. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. See if there are any reported outages in your area. Scroll down and click Chat with us button. Click M in outage to know the status. Fix 2. Restart your equipment. Restarting can clear temporary glitches and refresh the connection to the network. Method 1. Restart online. Sign into your Spectrum account. Select the Services tab and then the Internet sub tab. Choose your equipment from the list. Select Restart Equipment. Method 2. Restart manually. Unplug the power cord from the modem. Remove batteries if applicable and the Wi-Fi router. Fiber customer should avoid touching the back of the fiber modem and instead unplug from the wall. Wait at least 1 minute before connecting power to the modem first, then wait an additional 2 minutes for it to fully powers on. After that, reconnect the power to the Wi-Fi router and allow 2 more minutes for it to boot up. Verify your internet connection is working by checking if the modem lights indicate a stable connection. Fix 3. Check cable connections. Loose or damaged cables can disrupt the signal and lead to connectivity issues. Ensure all cables, coaxial and Ethernet, are securely connected and undamaged. Look for any visible damage to the cables. Replace it if necessary. If you are using Wi Fi gateway, follow above steps to check damages. Fix 4. Restart your modem or router. A reset can resolve persistent issues by restoring factory settings and clearing any errors. Log into your Spectrum account, navigate to the Services tab, select Internet and choose your modem or router. Click on Experiencing Issues and select Reset Equipment. Fix 5. Connect via Ethernet. Using a wired connection can help determine if the issue is with the Wi Fi signal or the internet connection itself. If using Wi Fi, try connecting your device directly to the modem with an Ethernet cable to see if speeds improve. You can also visit speed test page to compare the speed test between Wi Fi and cable connection. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Fix 6. Contact Spectrum Support. Reach out to Spectrum customer support for further assistance as they can perform remote diagnostic. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. If necessary, they can schedule a technician visit to investigate and resolve the problem on site. Call Spectrum customer support at 1-855-690-9884. They can assist you in ordering a replacement remote and may send it to you at no cost.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.